You don't want to do this right now, Lily. You don't want to do this right now. Oh, shit. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
I've learned.
Lily, calm down.
Yep.
Ratchet is being taken down. Oh, there it goes. Are you alive?
I was so close to his balls.
Right here.
You should have tagged me in. Round two.
Let's go.
Let's go, round two. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let me swallow this. My eyes got almost choked. Okay, come on. Come on.
You lost round
I'm
one.
ready.
Joseph, that's what he said.
Look at her. She does.
Oh my God, you're so evil. Let me win at least one round. He won't. He won't. What looks like punching right now?
Uh-oh.
That was hell. Oh my God.
And the winner is...
You're really putting me on the floor, you ass.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting. Oh, thank you.
Second place.